Hello, today let's see how to properly use and maintain your Agaro Regal gun massager. First, attach the massage head securely, then long press the power button to switch it on. Short press the power button respectively to adjust the speed up to 6 level. Let's understand each massage head and where it works best. Use the round head for large muscles like your legs and calves for general relief. The flat head is ideal for upper back and shoulders. Bullet head targets specific trigger points like the traps or spine edges. Use the fork head around your neck, sides or ankles, never directly on the spine. Do not use on joints or bony areas. Avoid using on the same spot for over 15 minutes. Make sure you insert the USB cable properly. The LED bars indicates it's charging. Store the device in a clean, dry place, away from heat and moisture. And that's it. Relax and recover anytime. Here are some facts and tips to keep your gun massager in a perfect shape. If your device isn't powering on, most likely the battery is completely drained. Charge the gun massager completely and try powering on. It takes 5 hours to fully charge the device. If there is no indicator while charging, charge the device using the original charging cable for a while. Then check if the battery indicator lights. If it's still not charging, contact Agaro customer support. Using the massager at full speed drains the battery faster. For longer sessions, go with mid or low speeds. If the massage head is loose, remove and reattach it till it fits snugly and locks in place. The device's safety feature will automatically shut off the unit after 15 minutes. Allow it to rest for a while before starting the another session. If your issue isn't solved, scan the service QR in your manual or contact Agaro customer care. We are always here to help.